All right, guys, gonna head to Northern Tool to pick up a 5x8 trailer. Gonna pull it with the Tesla and hopefully turn it into like a motorcycle hauler. So let's go get this trailer, see how well the Tesla does towing it back, and we'll throw some parts on it and see if this is gonna work. All right, made it to Northern Tool. $1,000, 5x8. Let's get in there and see if we can make this thing happen. All right, she's loaded. We're level 2 with the Tesla. Let's see how she does. And there she is, guys. 5x8 carry-on trailer from Northern Tool. Now I've seen these at other retailers as well, and sometimes they go on sale, but I was just over $1,000, about $1,020 out the door after taxes. And it's a pretty good little unit. Now I've got some parts that I already want to install on this thing. This little front jack here, so we'll get that installed. Now, I just got this E-Track thing here just sitting there, just mocked up. These are 8-foot pieces I got from Amazon. So I will have to trim this a little bit here. Let's get the angle grinder out and trim that, and we'll bolt it to the wood floor here. Now, ideally, I want to get one bike in the middle, and so have kind of 2 tracks more in the center. And then if I want 2 bikes, I have a track on each side plus the center tracks. All right, so the first part's in order. I have these rear stabilizer jacks. I still need to get some bolts for those, so I'll run to the hardware store. And then we're gonna start with this front jack here. And the E-Tracks, I might get those done today, but ideally I really want to stain this wood, you know, like a black or a dark color. But it's been sitting out for so long in the winter here that it might be a summer project. I'm not sure if I can throw the stain on there quite yet. So we might let that air out, and maybe I'll just run it as is for a while and stain it later. And it's not a necessity, but these are not LED bulbs. So I want to get like a whole LED, kit for that. Really simple. It'll bolt right on, and a couple wire swaps, and you'll have LED lights as well. So let's get to this front jack. All right, let's just get it installed, and then we can play around with placement after we get it loosely bolted on here. All right, here's where we're at with this. May not be perfect. I might change it, but for now, it'll work. I want this to, so now I can either go front side with the wheel or back, and that's just kind of where she sat, so I'm good with that for now. right, the Tesla moto-hauler is coming together. We got one track of the E-track installed on this edge here. Now I left a bunch of bolt holes open because I do want to run some lag bolts all the way through, or whatever bolts to put a washer and a nut on the bottom side. So far we just have kind of the self-tapping screws to get this started. All right, on this side we do have the LED light installed and this rear stabilizer jack. Pretty sweet how this works. This can go up like this, swings out of the way, and voila. Pretty happy with this whole setup, and that is gonna be sweet. All right guys, trailer is pretty much done. We've got that front swivel jack installed. We've got E-track placed on each sides of the trailer there. I ran out of bolts, so they definitely have to put more bolts in on this left side. And I plan to do through bolts on both sides as well to go all the way through the trailer and up nuts on the bottom there, just for extra security. Right now, there's a bunch of lag bolts just going into the wood boards. We've got LED lights installed on both sides. We'll test those in a minute. And we've got our little rear stabilizers as well. Really happy with this setup. I think this is gonna be awesome. All right, so let's get this thing turned around and test out these LED lights quick. All right, LED lights are working. This is awesome. Really happy with how all of this turned out. Let's find a place to put this thing in this garage now. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate you coming by. Appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Come back for more. There's plenty of more content on the way, as well as a couple motorcycles possibly on the way. So let's put this trailer to good use. Come back for more, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.